Okay, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money online fast and for free. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you 7 different methods where you can actually start earning money for free and it costs you absolutely zero. Okay, so if you're ready, let's head over to the desktop and we'll run through every single one of them for you. Okay, remember, if you are new to this channel, we make videos every single week about affiliate marketing, email marketing, easy ways to make money online. Plus, we also go over some sites that you actually want to avoid. Okay, in today's video, we're going to show you 7 different ways that you can make money starting from scratch with no money at all, costing you absolutely zero. Stay tuned right to the very end, because the last 2 are ones that you can actually go and scale up to make a full-time income. Okay, and I'll also at the very end show you a resource where you can go and get more information on all of these topics. Let's get cracking and start with number 1. Okay, so the first one is getting paid for uploading images. Okay, and this is the site I'd recommend to do that. It's called clickasnap.com. It's the world's largest free-to-use paid-per-view image sharing platform. Now, I'm not going to go into too much details here. I've got a video on my YouTube channel right here, which you can actually go and view and get more in-depth into this. Basically, if we click on how it works and we just quickly go through, as you can see here, you get paid 15 cents per photo view. There's a minimum payout of $15, and they've got about 15,000 members have signed up for this, and they get millions of views every single month. So that's how easy it is, guys. So you could take images with your smartphone, or you could also, there is a hack on the video which I show you where you can actually share Google images as well. So you haven't even got to bother taking your own photos. You can actually use that hack to earn more money. Okay, once you reach the limit, you get paid via PayPal, which is great. So obviously a PayPal, a really recognized source for payment proof. Okay, so that's the first one, so which is getting paid to upload and share images. Okay, so the second one is getting paid to read books out loud. So that is very, very simple task, and you can get paid an awful lot of money for this. Okay, the site I would recommend you go and have a look at is acx.com. And basically here, people have uploaded books, etc., that they've created. And what they're looking for someone to actually create an audio book. So they want someone who is actually going to read the book out loud so that they can then actually sell the book online as an audio book. So it's very, very simple. You can obviously just join as a free member, and then obviously you actually do an audition to become their reader of their books. And as you can see here, there's over 2,500 titles at the moment that are available for auditions. Every genre is in there, every niche is in there. If you're very good at speaking and reading, then this could be a good fit for you. Again, there's a video here on my YouTube channel, so make sure that you hunt that out and go and view that there. Okay, so we're on to number 3 already, and that is Bitcoin. Now, we know cryptocurrency is really big at the moment, especially Bitcoin. So how could you just surf and earn Bitcoin? And that's with no investment at all, and you can do it really, really quickly. Okay, the site I'm going to show you here is basically called BTC Clicks. Basically, you join with your email address here. Obviously, you can then, once you're a member, you go and surf ads, and then you get paid in MBTC. And obviously you also get, which is fantastic about this program, is you get 80% of your referral affiliate commissions. So if you refer other people to do the same, you're actually going to get 80% of what they earn when they click on their ads as well. And I do this, and I've actually got a video here which you can check out. Well, not only shows you how to quickly do it, but it also shows you how you can actually pull out your Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet. So that's all proof there on that video right there. So make sure you check it out. Okay, so the next two we're going to do together, and they're two different methods. So one is downloading apps and the other one is filling in surveys. So two great ways that you can actually go and earn fast money for free. There's a couple of sites I would recommend that you could go and easily join up for free and start earning, and let's just show you them quickly now. So the first one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is easy to earn money from. All you've got to do is literally go in and then click on any of these offers. You can obviously answer stuff, you obviously can shop, you can discover other bits and pieces, you can even play games, that sort of thing, and you get paid and you earn points. And then with these points you can then go and then swap these for cash or for gift cards, that sort of thing as well. And I've got some more points here that I've accumulated, so hopefully that will continue and I'll be able to pull out yet again. So Swagbox is the number one, and another one that I recommend is Feature Points. As you can see, I've got some points here as well. And again, they do surveys, offers. You can actually earn cash back as well, and you can download apps. And all you do is just click on there, join up for free, and then obviously you can then start earning points. And again, these points will transfer into money that you can transfer to your PayPal account if you prefer. Okay, so that's the first 5 ways that we've come across that you can actually go and earn money online fast and for free. Now these are only obviously going to get you a few bucks here, a few bucks there. If you work hard at them, yes, you could probably earn $100 a month, and you probably could do that out of all of them. So if you joined all of them, you could then end up earning a reasonable amount, but it's going to be very time consuming. So I'm going to show you now 2 different ways that you can actually start these businesses again for free and then build them and scale them into businesses that you can actually earn a full-time income at. So let's just head over to number 6, which is freelancing. Okay, and one of the sites that I recommend here, there's obviously different sites that you can go onto. You've got People Per Hour, you've Upwork, and various other sites like that. But the one I'm going to show you today is called Fiverr.com. As you can see here, you just sign up for a free account, and then you can go and create gigs about things that you can do for people for $5. Now, as you can see here, so you've got loads of different categories here. So if you were doing digital marketing, you could do social media marketing, SEO, influencer marketing, video marketing, email marketing, loads of different things. There's graphics design, so you can do. Okay, so if we click on the just for argument's sake, this animated GIFs, as you can see here, there are loads of gigs here, and how easy it is to start building up. You've got $39 for there. And this person's had 52 orders, and that's at $40, and that's just starting from. So these can become, you add bits and pieces on here, there, and everywhere, and before you know it, you're charging an awful lot. Look, this one's pro verified, and he is charging $277 for each one. He's had 25 orders so far. So as you can see, this can quite easily become a full-time living on here, because you could end up doing quite a few different things across the board here. So go and have a look at Fiverr.com, and again I've got a more in-depth video on my YouTube videos, so check that one out as well, and make sure that you have a look at that in more detail. Okay, so the final one we want to look at is basically getting paid to promote other people's products. Okay, so the thing that I'm talking about in this one is affiliate marketing. And basically how that works is you get paid for promoting other people's products and services. So when you then promote it and someone either buys or joins a site or buys a product or a service, then you will get paid a commission on that. I have been doing affiliate marketing for a little while now, and I make a passive income online by doing that. And one of the sites I use for actually learning all about this is a site called Wealthy Affiliate, and it's free to sign up to. So all you got to do is sign up here, and then obviously you log in and this will bring you to your dashboard once you've logged in. And as you can see here, you get loads and loads of different training, and even as a free member you get the Get Started online entrepreneur certification. You get the whole course, the first 10 lessons, totally free. You also get a free website that you can start, and also you get loads of other training as well, and loads of classrooms, and the live chat, and obviously the community itself, which has got over, I think it's someone said 2.5 million members now, and they're all in here. That if you get stuck, wanted to know questions, you can then go and ask. They do have a pro membership as well, so but obviously we are looking at things you can actually start for free. But this will get you an idea of where you could go, and you can actually learn the process for free. There's also this Facebook group here, which I'll put a link to in the comments. As I will do everything, I'll put a link to all the resources here, plus all the videos that you can go and check out as well. And this is a group called Traffic Dominators, and you've got loads and loads of free training in here, guys, that will help you to generate cash online through affiliate marketing. So there's two different ways there that you can actually go and start affiliate marketing for free. What I've also done, I've done an article on my blog as well, and this actually holds all the videos that I mentioned. So you've got the video there about sharing images, and then reading out loud, the Bitcoin one, obviously doing the surveys and feature points, that sort of thing. Obviously the Fiverr, so how you can earn cash on Fiverr, so that's a more in-depth video. And there's also a video on here that just shows you how you can actually start affiliate marketing, which is a complete tutorial. Okay, so make sure you check out that blog post as well, and obviously leave me a comment either below this video or on my blog about any questions you have, and we'll certainly try and answer them for you. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and really, really useful. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up under the video. Also, remember, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so by hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, remember obviously to check out our other videos here of easy ways to make money online. There actually have a whole playlist, also includes some of the videos that I've mentioned in the video today. That's it for this video. We will see you on the next one.